Alright, what's up my Renaissance people? We are back out here fishing again. And as you can see, it's a nice day out here. Got up at the crack of dawn because it gets hot as in the summertime. So we'll probably be out of here by 9 o'clock. But yeah, we're out here on Lake Bradford again. Lake Bradford has been the most productive lake in a while for us right now. So we're out here fishing. And yeah, I'm trying to do a catch, clean, and cook for y'all today. Alright, so right now we're not really fishing for anything in specific. Usually we catch the crappie and the bass and the bluegill out here, and that's probably what we probably will catch. But that's what the catch, clean, and cook is going to be based off of. So if we catch something, you'll know about it because you'll see this video. If we don't, we didn't catch anything. But yeah. Alright, so, oh, hold up. Oh, yo, it's a bass. Okay, what was I about to say? I was about to say tackle. There we go, tackle. Little guy, so I'm gonna let him go. Tackle. This is all I'm using. Oh, we got another one. Oh, no. Alright. This is what we're using. Same old thing. Same old little assassin with the 16-ounce jig head on here. And we just working that slowly off the bottom. For the reel, cheap reel. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Brownie. This is a brownie. I don't think that's cheap, but it looks cheap. And then we got the 6-foot medium action, medium light action rod, and we just playing around with it. Nothing better than light tackle. Y'all might give me a lot of flack for using a jig head with no color, but personally, it doesn't make a difference. I will take my jig head with no color over your jig head with color and bust your. Alright guys, so I've been trying out this new product right here. This is a eye bobber, and what it is pretty much a depth finder sonar type thing where you just throw it in the water like that right there, and then there's an app called eye bobber, and it just gives you the depth and shows you if there's fish on here. There's no fish obviously on here, but it's a pretty neat little device. My dad picked it up, so yeah, man, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Thoughts of what we got right here? What we got? Ooh, nice crappie. Yes sir, we gonna have a catch, clean, and cook today. Let's go, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. What's wrong with him? Huh? What's wrong with him? We eating good today. Ooh, I like you. What is this? Bluegill? That looks like a bluegill. Oh yeah, this is a big bluegill right here. Gotta be. Yes sir, that's what I'm talking about right there. I'm telling you, we eating good today. This is what it's all about right here, man. Come out here and show out like this. They'll eat that. That is all-purpose lure. I call it bass, bluegill, what a speck. We eating good today. Alright guys, it has gotten sweltering out here once again. It's only 9 something and my face is about to melt. So we didn't do as well as expected. We ended up catching maybe 2. Why did I even open the cooler? Caught 2. But we're still gonna do the catch, clean, and cook. I'm gonna take these bad boys home and I'm gonna meet y'all in the kitchen. What's going on, my Renaissance people? We are back in the kitchen once again, and we already caught the fish, so now we gotta clean and cook the fish. So I got my bluegill here, I got my speck here, and we just gonna have a blind taste test. We're gonna see which one tastes the best. I think personally that the crappie will taste the best, but you never know. I'm just gonna simply fry them up in some oil, not do too much to them, try to keep as much of that natural flavor as possible. And yeah, we're just gonna get to the cleaning process right now. Alright, so we're just gonna make sure you got a nice sharp knife, and we're just gonna sort of attack right up in here. Kind of come in here at the angle, flip them around, and we're just gonna follow that line right now. Open them up. Back, come through over here, flip them back around, so we'll come through. There's your fillet. We'll take it here. All in one stroke if possible. Close to that cutting board. There's your fillet, skinless. There's your skin. We'll do the same thing to these other two. Alright guys, so we got our fish filleted out and stuff. I want to kind of show y'all the difference between the two. As you can see, the bluegill right here has a slightly yellow tint to it. It's still going to be good, I feel. And then the crappie right here, they have like a more pinkish, whitish meat. So yeah, we're going to... Alright, so I want to just keep it simple as possible. So I'm just going to hit these with a little bit of pepper and some salt. Give them a nice mix. Rub them together. You gotta season both sides. It's not really necessary. We want to keep as much of that natural flavor as possible. And then we're gonna take some of this buttermilk enriched white cornmeal. And we're just gonna take a little bit. And a little bit to it. That's about all you need right there. You need a whole bag of cornmeal. And then we're gonna take some of this stuff here. Just season it a little bit. About that much. And give it a nice shake. And that's our breader right there. Alright y'all, so as far as the Everglades goes, I personally am a huge fan of Deer Meat for Dinner. I love their YouTube channel. I am a subscriber, a loyal subscriber. I watch all their videos. But I am from Florida and I have been using this since I was young too. So this is like just a Florida native seasoning and it's all purpose and it's very good. So that's the whole story with that. I don't want anybody to think I'm stealing from Deer Meat for Dinner because I admire them and I respect them for using this seasoning. Alright, so I'm gonna just drop each piece in our batter, our breader. Close this bad boy. Alright guys, so I got some really hot vegetable oil right here. And I'm just gonna pan fry these bad boys. I'm not gonna do too much to them. I don't want them deep fried. Just want them slightly pan fried on both sides. So I'm gonna leave them on there for about maybe 2 minutes on each side. That nice golden brown color, that's what we're looking to achieve, man. That's all we want to do. Nice golden brown. I still remember exactly what fish is what. I take y'all look at this. Alright guys, these bad boys look done. Just give me a little bit of paper towel line on this pan. Give them a shot. We're just going to hit them with a little bit of lemon squeeze. Alright guys, it is time for the taste test. I got my crappie right here. I got my bluegill over here. So we're going to try the crappie first. Actually, we're going to try the bluegill first because I heard it's subpar to crappie. So we're going to try him first. It's good. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's good. Now we're digging into the crappie. I don't know. The crappie is definitely softer, but as far as the flavor, not really that much different. I like both of them. They both have a similar taste. The bluegill is just more firm, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. So anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'm gonna keep coming with them. I'm gonna keep coming with each video, each type of video. We're gonna do some more artwork. Well, we're gonna start doing artwork. I haven't showed y'all my artwork yet, but we're gonna definitely dive into that. Y'all like, share, subscribe once again. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all keep on learning, and I'm out.